What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are starting my new series, Mod Mondays. If you don't know, I have my own business, Retro Remastered. Primarily, I just mod Game Boys and sell them. I don't sell mods like my Wide Boy, but I do sell mods like these. I make quite a few of them, and unless you follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know how many Game Boys I actually mod. And since I know a lot of you like watching the basic repair videos and mods, I thought, why not just record all the mods I do and make more content for you? In all honesty, these are going to be lower effort videos, and in future episodes I probably won't even show my face, it'll just be all voiceovers. That way I still have the time and energy to make bigger projects like the Screaming N64 controller and playing Game Boys with bongos. Those bigger project videos will be posted on Fridays, so now you can expect 2 uploads almost every week from me. And as a bonus for not skipping past this, in this Friday's video, let's just say I'll be turning the Game Boy world upside down. Alright, now on to our first Mod Monday. So let's just start with taking this thing apart. As you can see, it's not in the greatest condition, and it's actually really disgusting on the inside. So let's clean it up. While I was cleaning this up, I saw that these chips don't actually fill out their spots, and it's kind of annoying. If you know why this is, please tell me down below. I noticed that the right bumper felt a little funky, so I gave it some extra attention. Now that everything is clean, we can get out my custom UV printed shell. I recreated the PDX carpet design in Illustrator and had it printed on a shell at a local shop. If you're not from the Northwest, the Portland airport's old carpet had a cult following because it was trendy to take pictures of your feet on the carpet when you went to PDX, and because it looks cool. Sadly, they replaced it with a worse design, but it will live on through my GBA. Now here is some unusable footage of me blocking the camera. After that, I put on the screen lens and got to soldering. But don't worry, I continue to ruin the footage with my head, causing the camera to go out of focus while I finish up my work on this Game Boy. Now that it's complete, we can use our test ROM from Natalie the Nerd to test all the buttons. Everything checked out great except for the select button that I will fix off camera. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe if you want more videos like this one, and maybe check out one of the videos you see on screen now. But that's it for me, so I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today I forgot my line.